Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes, your Las Vegas Realtor. Today I'm here in Skye Canyon inside Tri-Point community, the Citrine, and we are going to tour the Plant 3. This is 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and 3-car garage, and the base price is $600,500. I'm gonna show you guys how gorgeous the house is. If you look at outside, this is a 2-story home. I love the exterior. You see that stoneworks? It's very nice. Let's go inside and check what this house has to offer. So welcome to the Plant 3. This is a 2-story home. Right by the doorbell, you will see the smart deadlock bolt. As soon as you come in, you will see the nice wooden stairs in your open layout area. Let's go on your left first and see what this house has to offer. This side right here is your powder room. It's a nice powder room. Love the wall. And on this side, this is the flex room. The use is an office at the moment. The green accent wall is not included. This is part of the upgrade. As you see, when you walk in, you see the vinyl, luxury vinyl flooring. This is the open layout area, your living room. The fireplace is part of the upgrade. I love the space here. I'm sure the homeowner will appreciate the amount of space that they use for entertaining. From here, you see the view of your living room. Very nice, very open. This side is your dining area. And now you're looking at your modern kitchen. You see this massive island with, they extended into a breakfast bar. Love the white cabinets and also that modern backsplash. Very nice. It features the stainless steel appliances. Love the 5 burners, the vented hood, and also the amount of counter space that they have in this model home. Just so you know, the refrigerator is not included when you purchase the house. This is an option. Let's open this door. I think this is the walk-in pantry. Tons of space. This side right here, this is your 3-car garage, tandem garage. It has a tankless water heater and your soft water loop. And right here, there's a storage inside the garage. This is underneath the stairs. Now let's go back inside and check the rest of the house. But before that, let's go check your backyard. So this is the outdoor area. Normally, this is landscape because this is a model home, but normally it only comes with this covered patio, but the landscaping is not. Okay, let's go inside and check the second floor. So I love the wooden stairs, and this is part of the upgrade. Right here is your loft. Nice space for entertaining. And on this side, this is your laundry area. Washer and dryer is part of the upgrade. Nice countertop. And right outside, there is a linen closet. And this is your shared bathroom. It comes with 2 dual sink. This is your shower area. I love that they added that window. Right this side is your first bedroom. It's a nice space. The 4 recessed light. This is part of the upgrade. Standard closet on this side. Another bedroom on this side. Nice window and also a standard closet. I love this railing. Now let's go to your primary bedroom. This room is very spacious. Love the accent wall and the large window. From here you could see the view of your park. This community, they are trying to, they started building the swimming pool. Pretty soon it'll be done. This side right here is your primary bath. It's very nice. This is your bathtub and the shower area. So there's 2 vanities. This is the first one. And then there's another one right here. His and hers vanities. And this is your private water closet. On this side, this is your walk-in closet, plenty of space. Overall, you see the amount of space in this primary bathroom. They also added this large window. Again, this is plan 3. Starting price is $600,500. 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 3-car garage. If you are interested in purchasing one of this home, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. Normally, on your first visit, you need to bring a realtor to represent you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching.